Hello everyone, welcome back to Edit Reads. Today I will be discussing about how I read three books, different books at the same time. I review non-fiction books and I also read non-fiction books. So right now I'm reading three books. First is Don't Say Yes When You Want to Say No. Third is 0 to 1. And third is the most famous book ever, Sapiens. When you are reading three fiction book at the same time, the stories might get juggled, but in non-fiction books it can't happen. It just freshen up your mind how you want that book to be written through it. So yeah, it really helps. For example, while reading a book called Sapiens, which is based on the human history of it, which is based on the human history about how humans have evolved, how religions have evolved, then it might get a bit overwhelmed to read that again and again. So yeah, so having a book like that, then simultaneously reading a book called a business book, which is 0 to 1, which really helps to really chug down and to understand what you are reading. So yeah, so you might see that I am reading a psychology book, a business book, and a human history evolution book at the same time. That's the key, because it helps me step it's, it helps me stay into the track of reading without feeling overwhelmed or too much, because this has completely different point of view of writing than reading a Sapiens. For example, in this three books, Sapiens is the most heaviest. I'm reading this book for the second time. So yeah, let me tell you first. These two are the books which I'm reading for the first time. Meanwhile, the Sapiens, the book, I'm reading it for the second time. So yeah, I'm quite familiar what it is there. It is there in the written in the Sapiens book, but still it happens like Sapiens book being so heavy, and being an environment science student, I should know what's the evolution of our humans or the animals around us. So yeah, reading it for the second time, mostly the books I have read for the second time are very easy to read. You understand them. Reading books for the second time is very essential, but while reading Sapiens it is tough. But still, I have picked up a book called Saying Yes Why Don't Say Yes When You Want to Say No. I highly recommend this. I have finished over this much, on this much. So yeah, really great read. So yeah, so it's an easy to read book. You can see I have books like this is a book which I have already read. It means I am familiar with the content, but this is the book where I am very easy to read and it's a new read. So yeah, and this is book that I'm really understanding what the business aspect is. It is a bit tough for me, but yeah, I'm really understanding what the stuff is written all about there. So yeah, that's it for today. I hope you have got the content but about what I am saying. So yeah, you might have realized that I am feeling very awkward while shooting this video, but yeah, I'm shooting this video first time in my life in public. So yeah, I'm feeling very much awkward. So yeah, that's it. That's the beauty of life, and that's the beauty of being in your 20s. You can take the risk and get out of your comfort zone. I'm really grateful about current version that I chose to shoot this video in public. So yeah, proud, really proud about myself. I'm reading more books. I'm finally back on the track of reading books after 3 months, because January, February and March were terrible months for me as a reader. I didn't read that much. I have only finished 2 to 3 books till now in 3 months. It's very weird for me, but yeah, I'm getting back on the track and hoping to review more books. Please recommend to me which books you would like to hear from me. I'm really grateful for you. Thank you so much. Keep reading, keep succeeding my life. Thank you.